Hello, my name is Caroline and I have the blog and the YouTube channel Scan You Mama, and I'm here to show you one of my fun new obsessions, which is the flower bead jewelry, the flower bead accessory, and I just love making them. So you need 6 beads in the same color and 1 in a different color, and then you put them on. So you put 3 of the same color on, and then you put 1 of the other color on. And then basically you take the thread that you've just put through those 4 first beads and you put that same thread again from the beginning through the first 3 beads. So only through the first of the same color, like this. So just putting it through and then pulling when you should get to that. And then you have like half the flower. So you've got half a flower there. You can see like the petals on one side and the crown in the middle. Then you put the other 3 beads of the same color on and pull that close, and then basically you have to go to the beginning again and do the 3 first beads one more time. So that means that those 3 first beads, they've actually got 3 layers of wire or thread going through them, so that's quite a lot. So you need some very thin but strong jewelry making wire. And then I put a little spacer in between because I like that the flowers aren't completely close. So, and I start again. So I've got again 3 colors, 3 of the same color and a crown bead, and I go back, I take that same thread and put it through the 3 first ones again. That's the second layer of thread going through that. And once I've gotten it through there, I pull it tight once more, and then I go again with the 3 remaining colors from that new flower and again put it through those first 3 beads one last time. So again it's got 3 layers of wire through those 3 first beads, and basically then you just continue. And as you can see here, I've also mixed it up a bit, so I've got some beads in one size, I think they're 4mm, and the other 6mm, so you don't have to do them the same size. You can completely do that design as you wish, but for one flower I like to use beads of the same size. That just works best for me. But it's fun because you can use like really tiny beads and create a whole different look, and then you can use these smaller beads, or sorry, bigger beads, and that's just also fun. So basically I'm putting them onto this hair clip, and these hair clips have these tiny little holes in, and I kind of pull the wire on each side through that, and then I just again put it through the flowers and in and out, and kind of just use that wire to attach it to the top of the hair clip. And it's really good to have that wire because you really can just kind of use it to braid it onto it almost. And you have to go quite tight so the flowers don't go loose on it. And then of course when you've got this wire, you can also just use your jewelry pliers to kind of twist it, or you can use your fingers and make sure that it's completely tight. And then when you've done that, you kind of hide the thread in behind and you can just cut the excess away. And then you've got a beautiful beautiful flower bead pear bling piece ready to use. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.